Hi mates, I'm going to show you how to use this new Catmod I made. It's called Grid Generator, okay? And it's for you to create something like this, okay? So we give to the catnip some template and some parameters, and it will create a grid like this or a grid with padding. Then we can use this maybe to make a menu for levels. You see here we're going to level 0, here level 1, here level 2, and so on. Of course, just for learning purposes, I only create 0, 1, 2, and 3 in levels. And I organized the project in folders, styles, fonts, the templates, the textures, and the rooms. So we have a starting room with a simple template to act like a button. And in this template we have the logic into a click event. We apply a short delay and then switch to the room menu. Okay, so later in the start we just add the template start. I think this is scale. Okay, so we start from that button. We are going to go to the main menu, in which we have the room start, and we create a custom test just to display basic grid or grid with padding. And for you to create a new grid, you have to go here to Grid Generator and drag that grid to the scene. The main difference between these two is this has some padding for you to add a little padding for every item created. So let's remove this and create a new one, maybe 10, 30, one row, 8 columns. Let's select the button and we can store the whole grid items into a grid ID. So maybe here 11, I don't know. And we can store, and we have to store this into a variable. So let's call this buttons, for instance. It can be a regular variable, a global, or a property of that room, which can be stored here. Let's check it out. So now we have the new grid create here, and if we click, we go to that room. That is because this template has here an event on click. So we apply a delay and we switch to the next room, which is assigned on the start of this template, and we set the next room, this property. Okay, we read the value of grid ID. Grid ID, when we create the items, every one of these has a new property. If we check here, every item here, this is 0. So when we click, we go to level 0. This is 1. Where is it? Here. You see, this is 1, and so on. As long as you create more items, more IDs are created. So the main difference between this and this is the padding thing. In here, we have a padding of 1, I think. Yeah, we can put 3, for instance. So you see, the padding is applied on each 4 sides. And the IDs, of course, are different for this grid and this grid. This is 0 because in here we have that this grid is stored in the page ID 11, and here is 2. This can be any number. It's for you to know in which one. If we want this and this both share page ID, so later you can identify those items according to the batch ID. And that's it. That's it. All I want to show you today. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.